Oh God. Hey guys, I'm in the middle of something here. I made it. But today, we're exploring a brand new beach. I've never fished here before. No idea what this beach holds. We're gonna do some Dungeness crabbing. At the end of this video, my goal is to make beautiful, fresh crab pasta from scratch right at the beach. So hang in there with me and let's get to fishing. Ooh, that's deep. I like that. We're gonna start off with some frozen squid. I failed to thaw these before I came out, so we're gonna have to go with frozen. For now, it's got a piece of squid in there. It's relatively windy today, and I'm getting sandblasted. Are you guys seeing that? My shins are in so much pain right now. I've got Sabrina Carpenter songs stuck in my head. Man-Child is a very good one. But let's go ahead and toss these guys out. First snare going out. Second snare. I really like this rod, y'all. That went way farther than the big one. Man, I feel like I bounced that thing all the way to China. All right, and now we wait. There's like no one on the beach right now. It's completely empty. I think it's a lot to do with the sandblasting that there's no one here. It's nice and remote. Absolutely no cell service right now. So kind of just hiding behind my bag here, sitting down and waiting to check my traps. I put a lot of sunscreen on and all the sand is sticking to my legs, the hair on my legs. Ooh, man. Gosh, honestly, I just want like one good Dungeness crab. We only need one to make pasta. If we can get two, ideal. But anything more than that, I'm not lugging it all the way back to the car. It's a long walk. It is so peaceful out here, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful beach. This is a life right now. Let's go check the trap. You guys think I got something on there? Oh. Something is definitely on. Oh, heck yeah. What is it? Come on. Yeah, boy. All right. Nice crab here. Let's check him real quick. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper though. Now, it is a female, so I'm gonna hold on to her for now. And if we can catch a male, I'm gonna let this one go. And hopefully, where there's ladies, there's guys. All right, let's try this bad boy. Huh. Feels like something on there. Slow and steady, guys. That's the trick. Slow and steady. Don't burn that thing too much and don't yank and don't pump either. Oh, it's definitely digging. And if you feel like you can't turn anymore, just slowly walk backwards. Aha. We got a nice male. Look how much of those loops that he took out of there. Let's take a look at this guy. He looks a little small. We'll give it a check. Yup, sure is a little small. He got a tiny little arm too, look at that. In you go. Out you go. So if you're new to my channel, or new to crabbing, let me show you what kind of snares I use. These are Dur snares. They come in all sorts of different sizes, but This one here is the 12 ounce. On a really rough day, you're probably gonna need a 12 ounce. On today, 10 ounce, 6 ounce works perfectly fine. I used these snares in my last video to catch a limit, and that video actually caught the attention of Lawrence, the owner of Dura Snares. But long story short, use code WILDCAST on the website and get yourself a discount. I figured I'd pass some value back to you guys as my viewers as a thank you for watching me and supporting me. Huh, found a clam. Put it back. Oh, jeez. I really wish I brought a jacket and I didn't wear shorts. It's cold. I'm getting tested by Mother Nature right now, but we shall not fail and we will not give up. Oh, some heavy. Definitely. Oh, I can't even. It's either 2 crabs or a massive one. Definitely a keeper if it's just one. Oh, this one's heavy, dude. Oh, I see him. I see him. Come on, come on. No, 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 no. Get your butt here. Oh, oh, that's a keeper. But another female, y'all. What's going on? Where are all the males? Yeah. Look, that's another keeper female. Oh, what do I do with you? What do I do with you? Man, I gotta learn how to free dive and snorkel and all that stuff so I can just go into the water and pick them up. Let me know what you guys like to do when you're just waiting for the fish, whether it's playing on your phone or, you know, going out with the buddies so you can chat with them and things like that. What do you guys do to pass the time when you're fishing like this? 20,083, 20,084. The sun's back out and I'm a little warmer and I feel a little better. This is very questionable. Ooh, it's cold. All right, you guys, we're gonna go find a less windy spot and make some crab pasta from scratch. Let's go. Boom, all right. The sun is about to set, so we have to hurry. I'm gonna steam the crabs up right now and we're gonna make some pasta. We're gonna turn the heat on. I might have to block the wind a little bit. Put some water in here. Hurry up, cook. So while that thing is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up all my veggies. I got these nice fancy tomatoes. I'm just gonna dice them. Okay, tomatoes done. Time for shallots. Whoop, it fell off. I'm just dicing up all this garlic. Now usually I like to steam the Dungeness crabs for about 18 minutes or so. That usually fully cooks them. But since these guys are taking a little bit longer and the fire's not as strong as inside the house on a stove, we're gonna go ahead and do 21 minutes. Then we'll crack them out and I'll show you how to make the sauce. What an absolute vibe this is. Watching the sunset by the ocean, cooking, and just overall enjoying the weekend. This is what life is all about, guys. I can't stop smiling and the crabs are starting to smell really good. All right, you guys, the crabs are done. We're gonna go ahead and peel them now. It is hot. Oh shoot, missed. I missed. I'm gonna crush it like this, and then all you gotta do is just take out the little pieces of meat. So it's very helpful if you crush it first, guys. Fresh, cooked Dungeness crab. Okay, pan is hot. Going in with some olive oil. Garlic and shallots go right in. Oh, you guys hearing that sizzle? We'll go ahead, add in the oregano, and I'm also going to put a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes. Get that little dollop in there. Oh Oh yeah, that's gonna be really good. All right, next to go in is all the tomatoes. And give it a good mix. We're gonna let this cook for about 5-10 minutes with the lid on, soften that tomato up, and then once I open it, you guys will see it'll look just like spaghetti sauce. All right, go ahead and add a little more water for this. We're gonna dump in our crab. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Give it a quick mix. You don't wanna mix it too much during this part because what's gonna happen is all that crab is just gonna disintegrate. You want those like nice juicy pieces of crab, like this thing right here. You know, you wanna keep that. Oh, and it smells so freaking good. Cannot wait, I am so hungry. Y'all, take a look at that. Is that not just so perfect looking? All right, last thing we're gonna do before we turn that heat off is gonna add in the cheese. Usually I use mozzarella, but I wanted to try this Swiss cheese and gruyere cheese. It is not complete without this beautiful thing. The BBB, the big, beautiful block of butter. That's 4 B's, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And turn that heat off now. Oh my God. Look at that nice, cheesy goodness. I'm so excited. Oh man, I'm ready to eat. Okay, so I've got my cooked spiral. I think it's the twisty macaroni. Well, today we did a lot of stuff. We went and found a new place to crab, got some crab back, and went and made this beautiful plate of pasta. I'm so excited. Let's dig in. I'm gonna try a big piece of crab first. Look at that. Oh. Oh, it's so good. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna post a recipe down below so you guys know exactly what to do. Oh, it's so good. Oh man, all the hardship, getting sandblasted, the wind, and the trek in the sand. Oh, it's worth it. It is so worth it. This is good. It's one of the best dinners I've ever had. All right, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely had fun filming it. So I'm full, I'm ready to pack up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, tight lines. Are you guys seeing this? Oh, there goes my shallot, but oh well. That's why I brought water.